In this video, I'll show you how to quickly blend an image with a new background in Photoshop. So this is the image we're going to end up with. And here's what we're starting with. So the first thing we need to do is remove the background from this image. So to do that, we'll unlock the layer by clicking on the lock. And then under Properties, if you can't find Properties, you can go to Window and add Properties here. Under Properties, you'll scroll down a little bit and you'll see Quick Actions and Remove Background. So just click Remove Background and it removes the background of that image. So now we're going to bring in our new background, which we'll do by going to File, Place Embedded, and then select an image you'd like to use as a background. Now just resize this image so that it fits the original frame here. And then all you have to do is drag your bottom layer above the top layer here. And then we'll resize this guy, but I just want to mention you've got a bottom layer of the city and a top layer of the guy here. So to resize him, you'll make sure that he's selected right here in the layers, and you'll hit Command or Control T, and then you can just resize the guy like that. And so just play around with it until it looks natural. Just for the sake of the video, I'll call that good for now, and I'll hit Enter. And so now we want to blend the colors of this guy's hoodie into the background colors so that it looks natural, because as it sits right now you can clearly tell that he was photoshopped into here, right? So all you need to do with, again, this guy selected, not the city, we're going to go up here to Filter and select Neutral Filters, and then you can turn on Harmonization. You may need to download it if you haven't already downloaded it in Photoshop. And then you'll need to select the background layer, and then now it starts to process. So as you can see, it changed the colors in this image to blend with the background. And if you want it a little stronger, you can go over here to Strength. You can increase it. So once you've got it where you like it, click OK. And then after the fact, if you decide that you want to add a little more strength to that, you can always go back and actually add another layer of this filter to it. So we went to Filter and Neutral Filters, click Harmonization, select your background layer. It will do the same process again, so it will kind of double down on that same process. So now it's even darker, and if you find that's a little strong, you can dial it back a little bit right here. Click OK when you're happy with it, and then hit Command or Control D to deselect, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you blend an image with a new background in Photoshop. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.